In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Dropbox account. If you've been locked out of Dropbox because you can't remember your password, don't worry. As long as you still have access to the email address linked to your account, you can usually get back in within a few minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox login page. This is the same page you normally use to sign into your Dropbox account. Once you're there, you'll see the usual login form with a space to enter your email address. In the email field, type the email address that you believe is associated with your Dropbox account. It's important to know that you should type your email in this field, even if you originally created your account using the sign in with Google or sign in with Apple options. Dropbox still uses your email address as the key to find your account. So just enter it here as if you were logging in normally. After you've entered your email, click the Continue button. Dropbox will try to recognize the email you provided. If you don't remember your password, don't try to guess it multiple times. Instead, look just below or near the password area for a link that says Forgotten Your Password, and click on that. Clicking this link takes you to the password reset page. Here, you'll see another field where Dropbox asks for your email address again. Click into that field and carefully type the same email address you used on the login page. Double check for typos, because even a small mistake can prevent Dropbox from finding your account. Once the email is entered correctly, click the Submit button. This tells Dropbox to send a password reset message to that email address. Now, open a new tab or go to your email app and check the inbox for that email account. Within a short time, you should see an email from Dropbox specifically about resetting your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder, just in case it was filtered there. Open the email and click the reset link provided. This will take you back to Dropbox, where you can create a new password. Enter a strong, unique password, confirm it, then save your changes. After that, you can log back into your Dropbox account using your email and your new password.